are always on the hunt for the best tacos on the Wasatch Front, and today that brings us to Lehi at Traverse Mountain.
We're at R&R BBQ, and we're going to try some barbecue tacos that I didn't even know were on their menu.
They said there would be brisket, so let's go.
My name is Emery Winward. I'm the district manager with R&R. Things that separate us and make us different from other brands is we cook our meats for our tacos like 14 to 16 hours, and we put a lot of care, and everything is in-house. So we get our wood locally sourced, we get a white oak, and we smoke with that white oak. We cook our tortillas in-house every single day, and then our sauce that we use in that, also in-house. So I think our tacos are probably some of the best just based on the care and the time that we put into them. So we have our corn tortillas. So every single morning we put these on our flat top, and we get these nice and hot and ready. Every taco comes with two. We smoke our meats for 14 to 16 hours until they're perfect, and we make sure that we use white oak every single time, so it's consistent in all of our stores. So this has been smoked all night long, so it's our shredded pork, and we put a generous serving of that on there. And we also serve brisket tacos too. So we slice and dice our brisket, and what we do is we put our sweet sauce that is in-house made, and we put that on the flat top. We get it caramelized, and then we put some cilantro with it too. Generous serving of cheese, and we separate that. So we have our house-made coleslaw. It gives it a nice creamy flavor along with some of the smoky flavor. We top it off with some cilantro, make this bad boy look beautiful. We also give a tomatillo dressing.
Moment of truth time, R&R BBQ tacos. We got the green sauce.
Thanks, we really don't have to do anything but put a little bit of green sauce on it. I mean, they look sort of perfect as they are. There's enough meat on it for about 7 tacos.
So if you're really hungry, you can come check these out. Or if you have a small family to feed,
yeah, they could all
get you a couple of these.
One taco.
Same amount of meat. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That is so good.
Okay, that meat is so good. And then the coleslaw on the top.
That's delicious. It doesn't even need the green sauce, but I'm still gonna put some on.
Baby Jesus is smiling down from heaven. I mean, it's just what's right with the world.
I'm glad that they gave us 2 tortillas because I'm gonna have to put half this meat onto the one of the tortillas.
Well, that's the nice thing is when you get done eating that taco, everything that spills out gives you another taco.
And then everything that spills out of that, you just have to eat it with your hands.
All right, brisket time. Brisket's my favorite. If I could eat one meat for the rest of my life, brisket is it. Especially when they slow smoke it for 20 hours or whatever
it's
it is.
A lot of hours.
3, 2, 1.
You need to think about it.
Don't ruin this for me. Just let me enjoy this. Let me have this moment, okay?
Did you enjoy it faster?
I want to fill a bathtub up full of that brisket and just roll around in it.
I would like you to take a giant margarita glass, like one of those schooners, and fill that with the meat, and I could just drink it.
Things that were just meant to go together. Tacos and brisket. Casting judgments. Here we go. R&R. Out of 5, Lexi. What's it going to be?
Well, they're obviously getting a 5 out of 5. I can't wait to finish recording this so I can shove the rest of it in my mouth.
I'm going to inhale it as soon as we hit stop. It's a perfect score for me as well. This is, I mean, it's different. It's not your traditional taco. It's not something you would ever think to get it. Order it, then order it again, then order some to take home with you. We're always on the hunt for the best tacos on the Wasatch Front.
If you've got a taco joint and you'd like us to try your tacos, just message us here or email Lexi at cable93.com.